Alright guys, today we're going to be doing a little random stuff because I have nothing else to record. So we're going to be doing something with my brother's RC car. Go ahead, Kyler. Kyler, how about you put something for it to crash into?
I took the buffalo. For something to crash into?
Yeah, for like it to crash into. Alright guys, I'll be back with you once we figure out something for for this RC truck to crash into. Alright, see you then. Alright guys, so we tried making a bigger, oh, never mind, he got it unstuck. Crash. Alright, well that's going to be the end of this video. Hope to see you soon. And now he's calling his truck a piece of shit, so. Alright, so I'll probably upload a video tomorrow. I don't know what it'll be about. It might be Black Ops. It might be something else. Well, until then, see you later.